it's really, really nice. It's a summer day, and I'm feeling a little springy. So, let's get started. The first thing that I have on is this little jean vest. It's a light jean vest. I got it from Old Navy, actually last night. And then I also have this neon green dress on. I got this from Old Navy as well, 12 bucks, and it was quite a steal. And then I also put this necklace with it, and it's not quite, you know, the exact color of the dress, but it's really, really springy, and I felt like it really went with the dress. And then I just put on diamond studs, and then I have these sandals from Old Navy as well, and they just match my dress. So that is my outfit for today, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!